Today I'm going to show you how to make okonomiyakis. First, we're going to take a head of cabbage. I don't like the ugly ones, so I'll take off all the ugly leaves, which is basically the first two on the outside. What next was I'll cut off the bottom portion. And then I like to cut them to eighths, lengthwise. Go down. Once you have the core out, I'll have this.
No, she wasn't.
Then I'll take this half that. Same with this one and this one. From here, I'm going to shred the cabbage, the eighths that I cut up, just like this. You want the cuts to be a little bit on the thinner side, so you don't form too big of a okonomiyaki. This is about how you would want them to look. We're going to take all the shredded cabbage we just cut, put it in a bowl, set it off to the side. We'll get back to... I had already these prepared. Basically bacon bits made out of my own bacon. Just cook up the bacon, let them cool down, chop them up. Green onions, cut at bias for garnish. We'll set these off to the side. Alright, now for the batter. This is basic batter. You can do the batter however you want. You can make it just like a pancake batter or generic batter like what I'm doing right now. Take 1 cup of flour. Get you 1 egg.
Years later.
Then 1 cup of water. Just whisk it up. Yeah, you have your batter right here. Perfect figure 8. So now we're gonna assemble it. Cabbage, shredded cabbage in a bowl, mixing bowl. Pour some batter over it. Just want enough to get a good coating going. Make sure every piece of cabbage gets coated once we toss it. A little salt and pepper. Alright, just like that. Then we're going to come over to the stove. I like to turn it on to medium high heat with a saute pan going. So get some oil in here, just enough to pan fry your Japanese pancake. Alright, now the oil's properly heated up, I'm just going to take this, take our mixture, put it in. So basically what we're going to do is going to pan fry it. Get it to brown on one side. Once it browns, if you have a spatula, flip it with a spatula. If you're really good, you'll just go ahead and flip the whole thing with the pan by tossing it. Alright, now if you see it starting to brown around the edges, now I'm going to flip it.
That's right. There you go.
Use this type of brown on this side and the other side. Once you get that, and you're good to go.
Now that it's done, as chef wipes off his mistake, go ahead.
Now that we're finished with the Okonomiyaki, we're going to go ahead and slice it. If you want to, you just turn the whole cutting board. Like that. Now that we got finished, what we will do is transfer it to your plate. Doesn't have to be a paper plate, but this is all I have on hand. Just get it onto your plate. Move that out of the way. Get your QP mayonnaise or Japanese mayonnaise or any type of mayonnaise that you want. Your tonkatsu sauce. Bacon bits. Then your chopped onions. There it is, Japanese pancake in basic form. Enjoy.